Hey YouTube, Dragon Tamer here. I know I already did a video today, but I actually got something in the mail here, and I wanted to share it with you guys. The last package I got was tobacco, but this package is something else you need for the tobacco and the pipe, and it's not a poker, so pretty much you can guess what it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up and share it with all you guys. And in this video, I'm actually showing what I use to open my packages. Jason Dagner uses his, and I use mine. Let's go ahead and open this puppy up. See what it is. This is a clue. Gives it away, I guess. And here it is. I ordered this on Sunday off of eBay. Da 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 da! There it is. See the eyes? This is now the official Dragon Tamer Zippo ladder. Because, as you can see, oh, got a sticker on the back. Take that sucker off. Check this out. Bam! The freaking pipe attachment. There she is. Let's get this sucker ready. Got the cotton. Got my ladder fluid over here. Actually, the way I do it is I put it in backwards, so that any fuel that comes out through the wick goes right back into the reservoir. And when you put it back in the right way, it'll just absorb it all back. There it is. As soon as you see the cotton go moist, put that sucker back on, flip it back over, put this bad boy back, flip it up, take any excess lighter fluid off your hand, and there it is, like magic. So here it is, the official Dragon Tamer lighter. Look at them eyes, like jams. So guys, I just thought I'd share this with you guys, you know, since I'm starting to feel a lot closer to the pipe community, and I just thought I'd let you guys know my newest lighter that I got. And here it is, my new Zippo lighter. So that's it for now. Dragon Tamer here, and I smoke a pipe. Bye.